every time I burp. Then the bitch told me 6, she was buying back. I said, surprise me, big surprise, another shot of yak.
I am far too proud to cry and refuse to taste my pride. Every day's the same, so I drink to hide the pain inside. So it comes to pass my time. When I break down and say goodbye, I begin to close my eyes, hide the pain inside.
Now it's 11 on the dot and I want my 7th shot. Some ice cold Jägermeister would just hit the spot. Threw it down and said, yo bartender, do a round. I think that was 8, I'm drunk so I'm losing count. Vision kinda spinning but still I want another. Now the bitch looks like Vita and I wanna fuck her. I called her over but goddamn my mouth is slurring. So I was like fuck it, just bring me out some bourbon. Took my knife and looked at life in another light. I went from happy to I'ma start a fucking fight. Thoughts were running like I hate myself nowadays. I'm really broke and my seat's 1,000 miles away. Baby mama always gotta bring that same drama. Yo bartender, bring me back a shot of straight vodka. That's number 10, but at this point does it matter? I'm half a father, half a sucker, half a fucking rapper. Half-assed and half the time I'm just a drunken bastard who smokes so many cigarettes I got a touch of asthma. Ordered my 11 D&J and with the quickness took it and told the bitch I'll be back in 20 minutes. I went outside, threw some punches and hit the wall. Knuckles bleeding, screaming till I trip and fall. I ain't got shit at all and I don't even love myself. Fuck it, I ain't going back in. Here's number 12.
I remember the days.
It happens to the best. So I love that I lost. And
I remember she sit there with a thickness. Never played the game, but I heard about the sisters. A wise mister said love is gonna get ya, but that ain't what I read in the scriptures. God be with us. It was hard for me to take down the pictures. I was tripping, I even called her sister. How can someone you talk to each and every day that you about to marry the only married way? I'm singing through the pain like I was Mary J. Cause we break up to make up like Mary Kay. Rumors leaving tumors on my heart now. We fell in love, huh? Just to fall apart now. I get your calls and I try to disregard now. What was easy for us now is hard now, huh? Who do it better? We used to move together. Now we not together. It's just I knew forever. I remember.
it happens to the best. So I love that I lost. And
I remember. Yeah. Oh, hell no, I'm waiting on your call. Told you I'd be back, had to break down some walls. Issues that I had, some say it come from not seeing my dad. Keep moving on, hard for me to stay away and stay in touch. Girl, my heart is broken, I need a crutch. Thought I was okay, but nights that I stayed up, ass got me laid up. Girl, I never gave up on you and us. I try to take it day by day and woo, it's tough. I know you're young, so you gotta live your life, huh? I thought it was the right time for me to wife ya. I must confess, I miss the days of you laying on my chest. So confused and losing love, I'm saying God bless. Who do it better? We used to move together, now we not together. It's just I knew forever. I remember the days.
it happens to the best.
Crazy TNC, no G.